Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Updates channel here with me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus Boeing 777-300ER that flew to Xiamen this morning. So this aircraft is the research Bovers Kilo Quebec, Quebec. Then she took her flight number 63822, and then she had the great circle distance of 406 kilometers. Actual flight of 59 minutes and a track of 2 kilonauts and a track of 137 degrees. I mean, ground speed of 2 kilonauts. Sorry. This aircraft took off the southern runway at 5:13 a.m. local time in Hong Kong, and then she landed at runway 907 at Xiamen Airport at 6:12 a.m. local time in Xiamen. So she's expected to get her larger titles and or to get reconfigured was 77J with Ara Suite seats. So for the details of Proverbs Kilo Quebec, kindly check the previous video about the said aircraft. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. Held by me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.